Are you in the market for some banana plugs? Well, I got you covered on this. Let's take a look at these guys. These are, I don't really know how to say this too well, so pardon me if I butcher it. If we could focus. Ytuomzi? 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 I'm very sorry for not being able to pronounce that. I'm very sorry. Anyways, these are 24 karat. And there are, this is the red. This thing open here. That's black. And they are dual screw. So first we're going to unscrew them like this. Pop it out of there. All right. You have one screw here, one screw there. So when you insert your wire, let's see this in first so you can see it. Open up your plug. Same here. Get this to focus. All right, so pardon me for not having real wire. I guess I can pull this out of here. Boom. Stick this all the way in there so you get really nice contact. Tighten this down. Come on, focus. All right, so that feels good as it is, but we got another one here, so we make sure we get a really nice connection here. Plenty of contact. Pull that guy out of there. And then you just pop this back on. Screw it into place. And you're good to go. I've only used one set of these. Actually, it wasn't even a set. It was just one individual plug, and I have no qualms with it. No problem at all. So, check it out. Thanks for watching the video.